Hi there, I'm Divya from grammargurupeetham.com and you are watching Grammar Guru Peetham Plus, our channel designed to help ESL learners improve their speaking and writing skills from basic to advanced levels. In this video, you are going to overcome the fear of speaking in English in public. If you truly wish to achieve this goal, stay with me till the end of this video. And remember, patience is a key tool you need for mastering any skill in this world. Here, you are going to do something like practicing yoga by watching a video along with me. A strong method you can use while watching this video is this. Watch the video once fully and learn the techniques we are using to overcome the fear of speaking English in public. Then watch it a second time. As you listen to each tip, pause the video, practice the tip you just heard, and then move on to the next one. Practice and so on. This video is divided into 3 simple steps to help you speak English confidently. Step 1. Repeat with me while focusing on the mirror. No pressure, just listening and speaking. Step 2. Repeat again, this time adding the right tone to sound natural and polite. Step 3. Now add tone, facial expressions, and body language, like you are really talking to someone in English. Remember, throughout these steps, you will be focusing on the mirror. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English in front of others, even if it scared you before. Let's start. Step 1. Stand in front of a mirror. Keep this in mind. What you see in the mirror is not your reflection, it's your best friend. Now tell yourself, I can speak to this person in the mirror about anything I like. It's okay even if I make mistakes. Now repeat some very useful sentences with me. Sentences you can confidently use in everyday English if you practice well. After each sentence, I'll give a pause for you to repeat. Here is an important point. Don't look at the video while repeating. Just hear what I say and repeat it by focusing on your mirror image. Remember, you are speaking to your best friend. I'll say each sentence slowly 2 times. Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? I am learning to speak English fluently. I am learning to speak English fluently. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Excuse me, can you help me with this? Excuse me, can you help me with this? I would like to order a cup of tea, please. I would like to order a cup of tea, please. What time does the class start? What time does the class start? I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? Step 2. I hope you repeated those sentences with me. Now let's repeat the same sentence in a slightly different way. You repeat them after me again, focusing on your reflection, your friend in the mirror. This time, try your best to bring the correct tone for each sentence in your voice. I will increase the speed of the sentences a little. Hello, how are you doing today? You should have a pleasant tone here because you are greeting someone. Hello, how are you doing today? I am learning to speak English fluently. Say this naturally because you are simply stating a fact without adding extra emotion. I am learning to speak English fluently. Could you please repeat that? I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it means you either didn't understand or didn't hear clearly. This is a request, so use a polite tone here. Could you please repeat that? I didn't catch it. Excuse me, can you help me with this? Again, you are requesting something and need to be polite. But if you are speaking to a friend, you can keep your tone friendly. Excuse me, can you help me with this? I would like to order a cup of tea, please. You are ordering something in a restaurant, so stay polite, but you can be less formal since you are not talking to your office superior. I would like to order a cup of tea, please. What time does the class start? Towards the end of this question, raise your voice a little, but not too much, because you are asking for information. What time does the class start? I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. Use a normal tone with a slight pleasantness because you are talking about something that makes you happy. This is different from the sentence I'm learning to speak English fluently, where you just stated a fact. I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? This is both an inquiry and a polite request for information. Be polite in your tone and use a fall-raised tone towards the end of the sentence. As a general rule, for any request that ends in a question mark, you should apply a fall-rise tone. First, let your tone fall slightly, then rise, to sound both respectful and friendly. Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Say the first part with a pleasant tone since you are greeting someone. Then, without losing that pleasantness, ask the second part with a slight rise in your voice towards the end of the question as you are collecting information. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? This is a polite request. Use a polite tone and towards the end use a fall rise tone. Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? Step 3. Now you'll repeat the same sentences after me with the correct tone, facial expressions, and body language. You can learn the expressions and body language from the images I have added along with each conversational piece. I'll also increase the speaking pace to nearly natural speed this time. And again, remember to focus on your reflection in the mirror, not on the video when you repeat after me. Hello, how are you doing today? Pleasant tone, warm and happy body language, and an approachable expression. Hello, how are you doing today? I'm learning to speak English fluently. Speak naturally because you're just stating something. If you like, you can smile. I'm learning to speak English fluently. Could you please repeat that? I didn't catch it. A polite, friendly request with a fall rise tone towards the end. Your body language should be polite and your expression curious and attentive. Could you please repeat that? I didn't catch it. Excuse me, can you help me with this? Use a polite tone with a fall rise intonation. If it's a friend, keep your tone friendly. Your body language and expression should be polite and approachable. Excuse me, can you help me with this? I would like to order a cup of tea, please. Stay polite but less formal. Your body language and expression can be friendly and relaxed. I would like to order a cup of tea, please. What time does the class start? Raise your voice slightly towards the end. Your body language and expression should be polite and semi-formal since you are asking for information from a stranger or a teacher. What time does the class start? I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. A normal tone with slight pleasantness. No need for specific body language, just say it happily. I enjoy listening to English songs and watching movies. Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? A polite inquiry with a fall-rise tone towards the end, the body language and facial expressions are similar to what we discussed in this image. Could you tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? The first part should have a pleasant tone, and the second part should maintain that pleasantness with a fall rise tone at the end of the question. The body language should be semi-formal and friendly. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? A polite tone with a fall rise intonation towards the end. Your facial expression should be slightly puzzled or confused, and your body language should remain gentle and polite. Sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again? Which sentence, tip, body language, or facial expression did you find most useful in this video? Comment below. It could motivate many other learners too. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, before you forget, give this video a like and share it with other curious English learners like you. Watch this video as many times as you need and keep practicing the tone, facial expressions, and body language in front of your mirror using the sentences we covered today. You'll be amazed to see how your fear of speaking English gradually disappears. This is just the beginning in our journey to fluency in English. There are a lot of other techniques to be covered on the way. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon selecting the option all so that you'll receive notifications immediately after the videos are released. If you'd like free English learning resources, visit our website www.grammargurupeedom.com and click on GGP Online Bookstore or check the link in the description box. They are extremely useful for both ESL learners and English teachers. With this video, you'll get mirror practice cheat sheet for 7 days. There'll be 10 practice sentences and tone and expression notes beside each. You can download it and don't forget it's absolutely free. We'd love to hear your opinions and suggestions about our videos. Leave a comment below. Follow us on Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp for more English learning tips. You'll find those links in the description box too. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.